In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add resume upload button in Ninja Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean professional upload option added to your form so applicants can attach their resumes directly on your site. First, make sure you're working in WordPress with Ninja Forms installed and activated. If you need more control over uploads, like storing files outside the media library or allowing larger files, check whether your setup includes the File Uploads add-on that pairs with Ninja Forms. It's not always required, but it's helpful depending on your version and needs. Open your WordPress dashboard and head to Ninja Forms. You can either create a new form or open an existing one that you want to enhance with a resume upload option. Once you're in the form builder, look for the option to add a field. Click Add Field and choose the File Upload field. This is the element that functions as your resume upload button. Next, configure the File Upload field. Click the field to open its settings. Give it a clear label, such as upload your resume, so users know exactly what to do. Set allowed file types to common resume formats like PDF, Docs, and DOCX. Add a size limit that makes sense for your hosting plan, for example 5 or 10 megabytes, to prevent oversized uploads. If a resume is mandatory, mark the field as required. You can also add helpful placeholder text or a brief description reminding users about preferred formats and size limits. For better organization, choose where files are stored and how they're named if those options are available in your setup. When you're happy with the configuration, save your changes. Click Done, and then Publish or Update to make sure the form settings are stored. Now display the form on your site. Go to Ninja Forms, find your form in the All Forms list, and copy its shortcode. Open the page or post where you want the form to appear, paste the shortcode into the content area, and update or publish the page. Finally, test the form. Visit the page, upload a test resume file that matches your allowed types and size, and submit the form. Confirm that the file uploads successfully and that you see the expected confirmation message. If you encounter errors, revisit the field settings to adjust allowed file types or size limits. This quick test ensures your visitors will have a smooth, frustration-free experience. That's it. Your resume upload button is live and ready to collect applications through Ninja Forms.